is Jana McKinley, and welcome to another episode of the TicketCity Update Desk. This episode will tell you how to make the most of your experience at Fenway Park. If you're a fan of the game's history, a trip to Fenway is a must. It's a baseball landmark, and everything about that is special. Using our decades of experience and proprietary recommendation algorithm, here are our top 3 recommendations for getting the most out of a park dripping with tradition. The absolute best seats at Fenway Park are in the dugout boxes. Nothing gets you closer to the action than dugout seats at Fenway Park. With seats located within the first 3 rows and in-game waiting service, you and your guests can enjoy every pitch like you are part of the game. Before the game, relax in the exclusive premium club for dugout seat holders, the Wheels Up Clubhouse. Located at 72 Brookline Avenue, the Wheels Up Clubhouse provides a comfortable lounge area offering one of the best atmospheres for enjoying the game. The polished bar menu features some of Fenway's traditional favorites, along with additional cocktail options. Fans more interested in the best experience rather than the best seat should sit on the Green Monster. The Green Monster is the nickname for the wall located in left field that sits 37 feet high and was built in 1912 as part of the original ballpark construction. The wall is known for being tall enough to prevent line drive home runs that would easily clear the wall in other ballparks. While sitting on the Green Monster, you are granted one of baseball's best experiences. In 2003, seats were added to the Green Monster and now are some of the most coveted seats in sports. With only 269 seats available on the wall, the competition is fierce. One of the best values at Fenway Park is located in the right field boxes. The typical right field box can be purchased for around $50 to $75. These sections are numbered in sequence in a strange way, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't necessarily make sense. Not much at Fenway is normal. The right field boxes consist of sections 1 to 8 and 87 to 97. If you watch Sox games on TV, these are the seats next to the pesky pole, which of course is the right field foul pole. These are excellent seats to catch foul balls in and are free of obstruction. Thanks for taking a tour of Fenway with us, and if you have any additional questions about this venue, please feel free to email us at updatedesk@ticketcity.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Jana McKinley, Director of Communications at TicketCity, reminding you that the best source of knowledge is experience.